Hello YouTube followers. So the $500 Mercedes has to get its parking brake or emergency brake fixed for inspection. So you have to have this brake working to get an inspection sticker in Massachusetts. And so this brake has been a nightmare. So I did buy new rotors for it. I did buy new shoes for it, and I've taken this thing all apart now. I hope I can get it back together. People were saying this is really a nasty job. But I wanted to tell people that work on these things what really matters. This little part here, in my case, was frozen. This should move. And what I found here was this was bent over, and this thing did not move at all. So I couldn't even move it. I had to use vice grips and a hammer and force this part to move. So I can see why my brake didn't work. And the other problem I have is the brake adjuster in the center of the car, under the drive shaft. I want to retract these cables, so I want to push this cable forward so I can have the adjuster come back and release the tension on it so it's ready to go again. And I didn't have a lot of luck with that. So one of the culprits, I think, was this piece here. This piece goes and adjusts the shoe, and I think the way it works is the brake shoe sits in here, and when the cable pulls this thing, it will pull this part up. So as you can see, it'll pull up and cause the shoe to go against the drum. So this part is vital to have working, and in my case this part was damaged. I'm not sure why. It tends to, this part seems to ride on, at least when I took this thing apart, it was it seemed to be installed sort of like this in here. So I got to get this back on here now. So I'll just snap this thing into the cable. There's the cable. So now I can just flick it open like that, put the cable in there, and give it a try. So I can't do it with one hand, unfortunately. I'm trying. Let me do it with two hands and show you what happens later. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you fix your ML320 or ML500 brakes. Parking brake. This is a really great, I think, system, but it has to all be intact and functional. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.